Chapter 18. Our Solar System. Pep up, encircle the natural things in the sky. Sun, satellite, moon, aeroplane, planets, stars, rocket, asteroids, helicopter, comets, meteoroid, clouds, sky in the daytime. In the daytime, we can see the sun, clouds, birds, aeroplanes, helicopters, kites, etc. in the sky. Some of these things are man-made things and some are natural. For example, aeroplane, helicopter and kites are man-made things, whereas sun, clouds and birds are natural things. Sky at night. We see the moon and twinkling stars at night. The moon is the Earth's nearest neighbor. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. The stars are very big but they look small because they are very far away from us. Sometimes, we can also see meteors. They are also called shooting stars. These are pieces of rock and dust. When they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they appear like burning streaks of light. The other things in the sky are planets. The scientific instrument called telescope is used to look at planets and constellations. Planets are like stars, but they do not twinkle. They go around the sun in their fixed paths called orbits. There are 8 planets. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. A group of stars forming some patterns is called a constellation. Some of the common constellations are Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, Scorpius and Leo. Solar System. The Sun and 8 planets make the solar system. The Sun is a star. The Sun is at the center and all the 8 planets revolve around it. Planets also spin on their axis. They do not have any light of their own. Let us study about our solar system. Sun. Sun is a star. It is a ball of hot glowing gases. It looks very bright. It provides heat and light to the Earth. It is very big. It is very far from the Earth. Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth. It has no light. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. The moon has mountains, valleys, volcanic sites and many bowl-like holes called craters. Phases of the moon. Moon revolves around the Earth. So, we see it in different shapes. It passes through 8 phases every month. We see its certain part in its each phase. These phases are named after how much of the moon we can see or whether the portion visible is increasing or decreasing each day. Planets. All the planets revolve around the sun as well as spin on their axis. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of the solar system. But, it has been excluded from the list of planets as it is very small to be considered as a planet. Earth. Our Earth is the 3rd planet of the solar system. It is the only planet where life exists. It has air, water, plants and other living beings. It is called blue planet due to the presence of water on its surface. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is too hot and dry to live on. There is no air on it. Venus. Size of Venus is almost equal to our Earth. It has deadly and poisonous clouds. It is also called as morning star and evening star due to its bright appearance. Mars. Mars is called the red planet as it appears red from the Earth. Scientists are trying to find the possibility of life on this planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It has a big red spot. It is made of gases. Saturn. Saturn is also made of gases. It has rings around it. It is a very cold planet. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet. It is also very cold. It appears blue-green. Neptune. Neptune is also a gaseous planet. It appears blue. It is also very cold. Walking in the space. There are some special aircrafts which are made by scientists. These aircrafts are called spacecrafts. Scientists use these spacecrafts for a variety of purposes including communication, Earth's observation, planetary exploration, space travel, etc. The people who go into the space are called astronauts. Indians in space. Many Indians have visited space so far. Let's study about them. Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into the space, born on January 13, 1949 at Patiala in Punjab. He was the member of a space mission, a joint venture of Indian Space Research Organization and the Soviet Interkosmos space program. He spent 8 days in space aboard the SALYUT-7 space station. During the flight, Rakesh Sharma conducted multispectral photography of northern India to find the possibilities of constructing hydroelectric power plant in the Himalayas. Then, the Prime Minister of India, SMT Indira Gandhi, asked him, "How does India look from the space?" He replied, "Sare Jahan se achha." Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into the space. She was born on July 1, 1961 in Karnal, Haryana. After completing her graduation in India, she went to the United States for higher education. She first went into space as a mission specialist on the Columbia Space Shuttle in November 1997. When the spacecraft was returning to the Earth, after completing its mission, it exploded. Kalpana Chawla and all the other members of the mission lost their lives in this accident. Let's recapitulate. We see the moon and twinkling stars at night. Meteors are also called shooting stars. The Sun and 8 planets make the solar system. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. A group of stars forming some patterns is called a constellation. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.